Hi all, welcome to Python programming video lectures. Now we will see program to illustrate the dictionary concepts. So what we are going to do here is we will create a data structure named dictionary in Python, and we do some processing with the keys and values of this dictionary. Before going to the program, I will explain about the basics of dictionary. So dictionary is a data structure. It consists of a set of items. So what will be a set of items actually? So dictionary consists of a set of items. So, so an item can be called as, what is an item? Item is actually a key value pair. So dictionary is basically, you can say it is a collection of key value pairs, or dictionary is a set of items. Now that we are going to define a dictionary in Python, let's say D denotes a dictionary variable name. So D is equal to, so we need to have a curly bracket. This curly bracket indicates that we will be having a dictionary data type. And remember, we use square bracket for list, and curly bracket is used for dictionary, and parenthesis we use for denoting tuples. So here, this denotes, this one indicates a key, and a value corresponding to that, let's say Akash. So this is called an item. So whatever I have selected here is called an item. That is, an item consists of key. So one is key here and value. So Akash is the value here. Since it is a string, I have enclosed it in double quotes. So a dictionary consists of an item, that is key value pair, and key can be integer, string, boolean, anything, any data type. Similarly, value can be string, integer, floating point value, anything. So here I have given key as an integer value, and value as a string. Then similarly it can have other items as well. Let's say roll number 2 denotes 2 is a key, which may be a roll number that denotes another name, that is I don't know. Then let's say another item, that is key 3, then the value corresponding to it may be, let's say, so here we have created a dictionary. So now what we are going to do is, we simply sorry we simply process this dictionary. So we will simply print this dictionary. How, let's see how it looks like. So here you can see dictionary is printed. So as I said, dictionary is represented using curly bracket. So inside that you can see key here, and value corresponding to that. Similarly, 2 is a key, and value corresponding to 2 is this one. So now we do some basic processing, that is processing of these keys and values in dictionary. Suppose I wish to print the keys only in the dictionary. What will you do? So there are a lot of built-in functions available, or we can say built-in methods available. So this is a dictionary object I have created. Using that object, you can call various methods. Let's say I wish to print the keys only, that is 1, 2, 3. So if I wish to print the keys only, what I can do is I simply put the dictionary object, that is the name of the dictionary object is D here, and put a dot here. So see here a lot of methods are available. So if I wish to put the keys only, if I wish to print the keys only, I can select that keys method. Why we call it as a method? Because we call this keys using the dictionary object. So what it does is it basically prints the key, all the keys present in the dictionary. Okay, so let's see what happens. The keys has been printed, and what this keys method returns is, it returns a list. See, the square bracket indicates a list. So 1, 2, 3 correspond to the keys of the dictionary, and it is a list. Similarly, we can print the values present in the dictionary using the same d dot. You can have the values, that is, key dot values there. What happens is it will print the values. Let's see. So the value also returns a list. That is why you can see a square bracket here, and inside that you can see all the values present in the list. So now we have seen how to print the keys in the dictionary and how to print the values in the dictionary. Suppose I wish to find whether a value is present in the dictionary or not, or a key is present in the dictionary or not. So in order to do that, what I do is simply I put a if, then I check for a value. Suppose I need to check whether 2 is present in the list. So if 2 in, if it is present in the dictionary, that is I need to check whether it is present in the keys. So what I use is keys method, and if this is true, what happens is I simply print that key is present, key1 is present. Okay. Similarly, you can, so there is an error. So similarly, you can check for any given value also. That is, if let's say Aaron is present in dictionary, that is t dot values. If it is present, you will print this value is Aaron is present. We will run this. You can see that we have checked whether one is present or not. If it is present, then this will be printed, and we have also checked for a value arrow. Since it is present, it is printed there. So there are a lot of other built-in functions available where which you can delete a value. Let's say del is used to delete a value. You simply put del there and put df2. Now you print the dictionary. What happens? We can see. So if you run the program, you can see that, see, the second item has been deleted. You can see that this item was there in the dictionary and it has been deleted in this modified version. So hope you enjoy the session. If you have any doubts, you can comment it. If you like the video, please subscribe it. Have a nice time. See you. Bye.